I didn't come here looking for anything in particular. Just a change of scenery, a little space to breathe. But Sedona had other plans. It's funny how beauty shows up where you least expect it. In the cracks of red rock canyons, in shadows cast by ancient cliffs, in the hush between footsteps on a dusty trail. I came here with questions I couldn't put into words, and somehow the silence answered back, not with certainty, but with something better. Peace in not knowing. There's a kind of magic in this place, not loud, not showy, but still, it finds you. In the way the light spills over the horizon, like it's carrying messages meant just for you. Sometimes we think we have to chase beauty, like it lives somewhere far away. But what if it's been beside us all along, waiting for us to slow down enough to notice? Sedona reminded me that even in the moments of uncertainty, even when the road ahead is still unfolding, there is wonder and grace, and there is hope. And if you're willing to look, you just might find something beautiful in the last place you thought to look.